Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is 5 things to do before a new school year. So this is the first video of my back to school series. I'm going to be doing this every single year, so back to school with Studying Angel 2020. I'm super excited. We're going to have it from August, which is this first episode, until maybe like the first 2 weeks of September, because I know some of you guys start in August, some of you guys start in September, so I want to make sure we have a full range of videos. I just wanted to start off the video by saying thank you guys so much for 10 subscribers. I know that sounds like little, but it's a really big step for me, and we're growing, and that's all that matters. So make sure you guys subscribe for more content and to stay tuned for the next episodes of this series, which I'm super excited for. The very first thing is to create a routine. I know I say this in like every single video or videos that I talk about ways to do things. I know, but it really does help, okay? You want to wake up at a good time and go to bed at a good time because you're going to school and you need to start remembering what you do when you go to school. Creating a routine is just super helpful, at least in my opinion, because when you come home from school or you wake up in the morning, you'll know when you need to do stuff. Another thing is, I personally feel like if you wake up at a good time and go to sleep at a good time, your body's slowly progressing to waking up super early for school and going to bed at a good time to get ready for school. So start doing those, start incorporating that, because trust me, it helps so much. I know that I'm like going on social media and stuff, but that's usually what I do in the summer. I just wake up, brush my teeth, and I check all of my notifications. I do this on a normal school day, but I wait until like almost when I'm going for the bus, because yeah, I don't usually use my computer, but I do watch YouTube now because, you know, it's summer, we need to have fun and watch different YouTubers and things like that. So the second thing to do is just start adding things you would do on a normal school day. So incorporating things. These kind of go with incorporating a routine, but a little bit more in depth. So what I mean is start studying, start looking through old things. I think I've mentioned this in another video, but I'm telling you, it really does help, and it will change your life, because then you'll be prepared for school. And I do have a whole video on how to be prepared for school, which I will link in the eye, and I talk about this. But you need to start doing things that you would do on a normal school day, because when you come home, your body will instantly want to start studying. Obviously, I usually go, okay, like I have a dog, I have to take him out. Then after I take him out, I get a snack. I sit down, start doing work. Once I finish my snack, I put it in the sink. And then after I put it in the sink, I either wash them if I have time to, or I get back to work. Things like that. Like, you need to start making a routine and adding things that you would do on a normal school day, so that your body gets used to it and that it doesn't feel like it's some strange thing when you go back to school. The third thing to do is write a list of goals you want to accomplish in this year. So we're going into 2021 school year. I don't know how your school's doing it. I'm going to school with a mask on and everything, so it's gonna be interesting. Comment down below if you guys want like a vlog or something. But if you're going into the school year thinking, okay, I want to do this, and this, you're gonna accomplish more things. Have you ever noticed that your teachers, at least in elementary school and middle school, they always like, okay, I want you guys, they give you like this sheet of paper being like, what goals you want to accomplish in this year. They keep it, they give it back to you at the end of the school year to see if you achieved it. In high school, it's not like that. I mean, teachers might give you one of those papers, but you're so self-accountable. Like, people could hold you accountable, but in high school, you need to start building a routine where you are accountable for your own things. You could decorate this, make it beautiful, but write down all of your goals that you want to accomplish for this year, because then you will go into the school year making sure that you accomplish everything that you wanted to and that you are satisfied with what you did for that school year. So the fourth thing is to connect with friends. Get your Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, text them. Make sure you're mentally prepared to go into a class being like, okay, this class I don't have friends, so I need to be more out of my comfort zone and talk to someone. This class I have friends, so I can stick with them. This class, between this period and this period, I could walk with them because we're going to the same class, we're going to the same area. This way you are mentally prepared and you're ready for the new school year. Trust me, this helps so much, because then you're still going to be nervous. It's a new school year and you might not have friends in your classes, but at least you know that you won't have friends, and then you won't absolutely freak out in school, if that makes sense. The last and final thing is to be prepared for a new school year. This means get all your supplies, get your snacks, get a new backpack, whatever makes you feel nice. Pamper yourself the week, the month before, and just be ready and get prepared. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys found it informational. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for 10 subscribers again. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. I know that it may not seem like a lot, but at least we are growing and improving. So again, stay tuned for until August to mid-September, I would say early September, for the end of the Back to School series, and comment down below what you guys want to see. Love you guys so much. Stay tuned until next Sunday's video, because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.